Well, hello and welcome to Automotive Grace. Oh, I can't believe it's been a year. If you click up here, you'll see when I attended last year's Market Harborough Classic Car Show. And would you believe it, today is the Market Harborough Classic Car Show. Early in the morning, the cars are still busy parking and arriving. Great turnout. I thought I'd whip up the camera and just introduce the day for you, because it is a beautiful, sunny, British summer's day. And yeah, I need to get the camera out and film that, because it may not stay that way. I think we're due to have a little bit of cloud and maybe a shower later today. So yeah, make the most of the weather, and people are going to be here in about 10 a.m. in about an hour. So I expect there'll be a good turnout, especially with the weather. Just need to apologize for the quality of sound. After charging my wireless microphones, I found that one wasn't working this morning. So using the camera microphone, so it may not be as good quality and as clear as normal. Do the best that I can. Another reason for getting the camera out early is the people haven't arrived yet, which means you can still see all the cars. So I'll just walk you down the road here and see where Daisy is parked. I've got Daisy here today, and got a good turnout of split-screen campervans. And the good thing about the split-screen campervans is everybody customizes it to their own like. So yeah, everyone has a personality. Yeah, here she is, all staged. Last year I bought my Bitter CD and really enjoyed that. Lots of people were really interested in the car. And I try and take a different car to the same show, so that you know, people have something different to look at. And there was a distinct lack of campervans and split screens last year. I think there was one bay window. So yeah, thought I would be a bit more representative of the split screen van club and bring a nice split screen van here. And yeah, it turns out we have 4 of them. And I believe on the other side of town we have quite a good contingent of air-cooled classics. So we'll take a walk over and check that out. So for this annual event here in my town where I live, they close off the whole main street, in fact the whole center of town, and just have cars displayed everywhere. It's free to attend, and it's a great community event, and I think it's what sets some towns and villages apart from others. Oh yeah, that sounds more like it. Lovely TR4A. Beautiful, beautiful condition. Look at that paintwork. Hmm. 2.5. I wonder if that has a TR6 engine in it. Spot the MGC with the bulge in the bonnet. And a lovely TR3A. Beautiful. And then I believe this is a Lomax. Yes, it is. Based on a Citroen 2CV.
Andy, what happened to your leg? You want us to sort them out? Who did this? Who did this to us? We'll sort them out.
Well, so much for the prediction of bad weather. We had a minor little sprinkle earlier, and now it is just absolutely gorgeous. What a fantastic day. Great variety of cars, nice big crowd of people. Yeah, it looks like, I would say, the biggest event that we have in Market Harborough. And, well, what better event to come to than a classic car event. A little bit of everything. And yeah, I'm not going to bore you to tears too much with each car, but other than to suggest that you come and join us next year. It's free to enter, and yeah, what a fantastic day out. The only commitment is time. Get the cars in between 7 and 9 a.m. and then open to the public from 10 till 4, and then after 4 o'clock everyone heads home. What a great way to spend Sunday. Thanks for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed this little walk around our local car show. Yeah, we'll see you later. Take care. Bye.